Ready to unlock the full potential of Kraken Pro and supercharge your money's trading strategies? Let's dive straight into the Kraken Pro platform first. Log in and familiarize yourself with the interface. Notice the charting tools, order entry panel, and market depth display. Now, let's execute a trade. Click on the order entry panel and select your desired order type. For a market order, simply input the quantity and click buy or sell. To place a limit order, specify your desired price and quantity before executing. Analyzing market data is crucial. Navigate to the charting section and explore various indicators like moving averages and RSI's. Tools, combined with Moneyzg's techniques, will help you identify optimal entry and exit points. Kraken Pro offers margin and futures trading for advanced users. Be aware of the risks involved. Carefully review the leverage options and margin requirements before entering these trades. Risk management is key. Implement stop-loss orders to protect your capital. Set your stop-loss price based on your risk tolerance and market volatility. Finally, prioritize security. Enable two-factor authentication and use a strong, unique password to safeguard your account. Regularly review your account activity for any suspicious behavior. Now, with these skills, you can follow Moneyzg's strategies with confidence.